Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is RCBS 9356. This reloading press has a lot of amazing features and is known for its strength and durability. It might look simple at first glance, but there is more to this press than meets the eye. Let's watch details.
This is the RCBS Rockchucker Supreme single stage press. It's designed for precision reloaders and also budget conscious beginners. It features a Blocko cast iron design for strength and rigidity. It also features an ambidextrous toggle block for left or right-handed users and a compound leverage system that eases the amount of physical strength needed during the sizing operation. And in the back it also features a spent primer catcher. I'll quickly demonstrate how easy it is to reload a cartridge on your Rockchucker Supreme. I'll be demonstrating with 308 Winchester cases, but it can quickly be adapted to reload most common pistol and rifle cartridges on the market today. So you'll first want to take a properly clean and lubricated case, insert it into the shell holder, pull your handle up, the bottom of stroke, your old primer drops out. That'll resize and expand your case, press, and adjust its depth for the correct cartridge length. The next step will be to weigh out a proper charge weight of powder. We'll dump that into our first case. Place that case in the shell holder. Hold the bullet in the case mouth and run it up into your seat die. Run through the stroke of the press, and now you have completed cartridge, properly seated and ready to go. The Rockchucker Supreme Press by RCBS. It's great for both beginners and advanced reloaders alike. It's capable of doing around 50 rounds per hour. It's strong, dependable, and
Our second best single-stage reloading press is Hornady Lock-N-Load. The Hornady Lock-N-Load is known for its top-notch materials and brilliant features. This device comes with a kit that has almost all the components that you need to begin reloading. Let's go for details.
Today we're going to take a look at the Hornady Lock-N-Load Classic Reloading Kit. This kit contains everything you need to get into reloading except for the specific dies and shell holders that you'll need to load for your cartridges. We're going to take a look at all the different parts in this kit and why they make it the most complete, inclusive, highest quality kit on the market today. Now we're going to take a look at the items that make up the Hornady Lock-N-Load Classic Kit. First, we've got the Lock-N-Load Classic Press, which features our Lock-N-Load technology. That's where the name comes from. Moving on, we've got 3 Lock-N-Load bushings, which are compatible with any 7/8 by 14 die. We've got some Hornady one-shot case lube, which is an aerosol-based case lube and pretty much the industry standard. It's a tremendous case lube. I can't say enough good things about it. We've got the positive priming system for both large and small primers, chamfer and deburr tool, universal reloading block, a current copy of the Hornady Handbook of Cartridge Reloading, which contains inclusive data from the 17 Mach 2 to the 50 BMG. It's a great handbook. The GS 1500 scale, it's a small scale, but it is a tremendous unit. It weighs from 0 to 1500 grains, very accurate, very quick, very easy to use. We've got the handheld priming tool, which not only speeds up the priming process, but it also makes it much more accurate. got the primer catch bin, and finally we come to the lock-and-load powder measure. This comes with a standard metering insert and rotor. Also available with the powder measure as accessories are the pistol rotor and pistol metering insert and micrometer metering inserts for both rifle and pistol. This is a great powder measure to start with. It will last for you, your kids, and their kids. It's an excellent unit. That's a closer look at the items that make up the Hornady Lock-N-Load Classic Kit.
Number 3 in our list is RCBS Summit. The RCBS Summit reloading press belongs to the trusted brand. This particular reloading press has a unique and innovative design, which makes reloading efficient and more manageable. The press is constructed for right and left-handed people, so you can quickly put the lever on the left or right side of the equipment, which contains the hole for perfect usage. Let's watch more about RCBS Summit.
From the leader in single-stage presses, RCBS introduces the new innovative Summit single-stage press. Its unique design features the die moving down to the shell holder rather than the case moving up to the die. The massive 2-inch diameter steel ram, cast iron top plate, die plate, and lower casting all make it built to last a lifetime. The 4.5-inch window opening with 4.25-inch stroke means that the press can accommodate the largest cartridges up to 338 Lapua Magnum. The Summit press also features a Zerk fitting for lubrication for smooth operation of the press. The wide open design of the Summit press allows the right or left-handed user open access to the shell holder or casing. The ambidextrous design allows the handle to be placed on the right side or the left side. We'll get started by showing you sizing on the Summit press. As you can see, the open design allows easy access to the shell holder for the sizing operator. Our sized, primed, and powder charged case, place it in the shell holder, place the bullet on top, seat die comes down, seats the bullet, crimps the case, and there's our loaded round. The design of the Summit press with the die coming down to meet the case means that the bullet is seated more concentrically. Made in the USA and built to last a lifetime, the Summit press from RCBS.
Our fourth pick is Lee Precision 90998 Classic Cast Press. The Lee Precision 90998 is one of the best single-stage reloading press. Lee Precision provides the highest quality ammo, because you will be able to work on it and understand the essential elements of reloading, especially if you are a beginner. While reloading ammo, you need flexibility, and at the same time, you have to make sure to produce ammo of standard weight and size. This press has high flexibility and is applicable for both the right and left-handed users, which makes it easier to switch it from one side to the other. Another innovative feature is the adjustable handle. You can make it longer or shorter according to your preference. For small rifle cases and handgun cartridges, a shorter length is preferable. Last in our list is Lee Reloading Press 90045. The Lee Reloading Press 90045 is an independent stage press. To operate it, all you have to do is pull on the handle to reload the bullet cases. In this way, you will be able to recharge plenty of rounds in an hour. This press is not only known for its excellent reloading, but also perfect for a complete reloading cycle. It features a ram stroke that has a breadth of 3 to 1/4 inches, and it can withstand most of the small rounds. The primer mechanism is very convenient because you can operate it even at the initial stage of loading. It has a very efficient process of thoroughly cleaning out the primer. The reloading press is perfect for easy-duty work, especially when you have to load a little portion of bullets within a short amount of time. It contains a sturdy cast made of an aluminum frame that holds up quite well.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!